everyone, welcome back to my channel. So hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So in today's video I will share with you this beautiful paper sunflower tutorial. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So for making the sunflower, I'm having 3 different shades of yellow color chart paper and I have cut into square pieces. So the measurement of these square pieces are 8 cm by 8 cm, 7 cm by 7 cm and 6 cm by 6 cm. All total I'm having 6 pieces of square papers, as you can see. So for the next I'm having 8 cm square paper and I will fold it into half and then again fold it into half into a square, and then I will join the 2 corners, making it into a triangle. Next, with the help of a scale, I will draw a horizontal line and a vertical line like this. This will be the division of our petals. Now in this 2 division, draw 2 blunt cones like this. Now cut these cones . And then divide from the line that we have drawn earlier. Now these 2 petals are joined. We will divide it too, like this. Now we will divide the 2 petals from the center like this. In this way, divide all the petals that are joined. And you will get a perfect set of petals like this. Likewise, I made all the sets of petals, as you can see. So for the next, I will be using this kind of pin. This is a normal hair clip. And I will bend the petals like this, pinching it from the center. And in the same way I made all the petals. So now I will be using a FEVISTCK glue. If you are not having that, you can obviously use a FEVICOL. Stick the petals, just moving the petals here and there, back and forth like this. Do not stick the petals in a parallel manner. It will not look natural. As you can see, this thing is looking natural, but if you stack the petals in a parallel manner, then it will not look natural. So like this, I will stick all the petals, and as you can see, it is looking very natural. So for making the center, I am having this brown color 5 mm quilling strip. If you are not having a 5 mm quilling strip, then obviously you can use a normal brown chart paper and cut 1 cm or 2 cm from it, of about 5 to 6 cm, and do it as I am showing you. After cutting the strip, roll the strip like I'm showing you. Use a little amount of FEVICOL to stick the pollen part with the flower. And your beautiful sunflower will be ready. So let's see some closer look. So I will leave the link in the description box of this beautiful night lamp that I have made using this sunflower. So if you enjoyed watching the video, then don't forget to hit that big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Comment down below whether you liked it or not. And yes, if you're new here, hey, I'm Ushoshi. I upload DIYs and recycling videos every Friday. If you like my work, then do appreciate me by subscribing to my channel, and hitting the bell icon will notify you whenever I post a new video. I will meet you next Friday. Till then, bye bye, and yes, I love you all.